Hey, thanks for joining us. We are Eco Cleaning Pro, and today we bring you a little video of us cleaning a door. So this door was sticky, and so we steam cleaned it, took the dirt off it, took a little bit during the post construction cleaning. So this is a little bit of the process that we use to get the doors to look clean, and also to remove stickers that they put on the doors, on new doors. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you soon. Bye bye. As you can see, it takes some time to get the doors to get clean. This video is not speed up. This is real time. So you get to understand the process that we take. Thanks for watching.